welcome back to my channel, guys. Yesterday I made this video and I showed you over $10,000 in profits in live trading, okay, in live trades, sorry. And today, these exact trades, look at the results right now, guys. Over $46,000 and trades are still running in front of your eyes. So these trades was placed by the auto trader that we launched just 2 days ago. So 2 days ago we launched this precision edge futures. More information, click the link below the video. But however, guys, look, auto trader was able to place these 4 trades which are still running. Okay, I have 3 brokers accounts where I use this auto trader on. However, guys, look at these results, okay? So 1, big loss and 3 amazing winning trades still running on this account. So, guys, over $46,000 in 2 days, amazing. So, and also, guys, in yesterday's video, I made analysis, okay? What's happening with the crude oil? As you know, guys, there is a war right now between Iran and United States of America. So what do you think is gonna happen to the crude oil, diesel and petrol prices? They're gonna go down? I don't think so, okay? It's gonna go up. But the thing is this, that to make money in financial markets, okay, to trade and to trade crude oil, okay, you need to have a knowledge, you need to know what you're doing, okay? You need to have understanding of how to combine the technical analysis with fundamental analysis together and then place the trades by speculating, the markets. But what we are doing, we are letting the automated trading bot to speculate the markets for us. I mean, and look, and everything is in front of your eyes, okay? What balance you see right now? I'm making profits while recording this video, okay? How fantastic is that? No, it's not miracle. Of course, we still have to, look at the trades. We still have to make sure that the settings are correct, and we still have to make sure that we don't allow bot to do several actions such as opening too many trades at the same time on the same pair, but everything is told in academy that comes with this. But what I'm saying now, guys, is that everything is done by the bot itself. It opens trades, closes trades, it sets the stop loss and take profit for us. However, in this case, it did set the take profit twice and removed it because it saw more profits, more profitable trading opportunity for those trades. So it removed it, and we'll see what's gonna happen, okay? But the profits are really, really deep now, and actually, what I want to, I want to kind of manually close these trades because it's, deep in the profits, guys. I mean, this is ridiculous, especially the Brent crude oil trades, combined together, as well as US100. Yeah, guys. So the S&P 500 trade is in a loss, minus $6,800 in loss. However, who cares? We're still making over $49,000 right now. I mean, I'm gonna analyze, quickly the US 100 and S&P 500 charts because it's getting scary. Okay, the profits are getting, it's too deep. Okay, in 2 days. And now, guys, let me just go back here. So the best way, one of the best assets at the moment to speculate the markets are, of course, crude oil, gold, of course, some of the major forex currency pairs. Now, S&P 500 and NASDAQ trades, okay, again, they will, it's consolidating, but the beautiful thing is that because of the war right now, the volatility is really, really fascinating. It's really, really high. And remember, guys, to make the money in financial markets, it's not about, buying the asset and then waiting for that asset to increase in price and then we sell and then we make profits. No, complete BS, okay? We don't make money from that, It's complete nonsense. How we make money from the financial markets? Simply by speculating this volatility. And that's it, basically. We're speculating the volatility, and when it comes to the crude oil, it's just fantastic, and I don't see why more people are now not trading the crude oil because let me just delete this one. So even if you're a manual trader, and I told you yesterday, I gave you some extreme price zones to watch out for. Of course, the previous high was here at 119. If the crude oil goes up here and breaks this level right here and then retests, that's the best entry for the next long. But what we are doing here, we are speculating, okay? So the markets went up here, it crashed, okay? Bot was able to make profits, and now what's happening is it's now, it's consolidated, and now it's ready to move and show us next leg further. Now, when it's gonna break this $96 per barrel, $96 per barrel. And if you're gonna see new 30-minute candle above this level, I would go buy and I would make profits easily by manually entering this position and exiting it around this area. Okay, of course by looking at smaller time frames, okay, to see the price action, because as you can see, yeah, so triple top right, well, this was a crash, okay, this was this double top right here, and if this breaks out, then we should take profit right here. So if this breaks out, you can make a buy trade. So $96 per barrel. If you see new 30-minute candle, 30-minute candle above this exact level, enter buy trade, and I would take my profit, of course, at this level right here, 101. Yeah, this is an order block. Now, stop loss below previous swing low, a little bit below that, so 88.87. Again, the risk reward ratio is not that favorable. However, what is favorable is the fundamentals in the world, what's happening, and the war is strengthening. The war is becoming harder, and it means that the oil is gonna push up more harder. That's what it basically means. And this is just one asset class we're talking about. So I gave you the price zones, okay? Please watch this video again, okay, or forward it back so that you can see these levels again. So this was just for oil. There is, what's for a gold? Gold is so fascinating. Why? Because gold is trading like a book. Okay? Now we could expect little crash, okay? So look at this. So there was a head and shoulders, and what happens after the head and shoulders? What's gonna happen if it's gonna break this neckline right here? It's gonna go it's gonna drop around this area, and it's gonna bounce before it's gonna continue its way up. But what's fascinating about the gold? So look at these gold levels, okay? These gold levels, and they work so great. So the gold went up here, okay, rejected because it is a red order block. And now if it's gonna go back down, it could back down as low as 5088 or 5061. See this corridor right here, and then it can wobble around here before go back up. If it's gonna break outside here, we will wait for a retest, and before it will show us the next leg up. But what's fascinating, I don't need to do this manual analysis anymore. Why? Because my bot is doing this for me, and it's generating profits in front of your eyes for me, as well as my members. So if you're interested in out-money trading tools such as Position Edge Scalper, click on first link below the video. But most importantly, guys, join my free Telegram. Here's my free Telegram. Let me just show you. Oh yeah, this was yesterday's trades. Okay, guys, join my free Telegram, and it's gonna change your trading game forever. I love you all, guys. I'm still busy these days, but I'm planning to come back with the manual signals. What I want to do is I want to do the live streams. Okay, I want to do live streams to do manual analysis, where we can also place long and short trades, and you're gonna see that that education and practice is the key for long-term success in order to make money in the markets, as long as you know what you're doing, as long as you know what you're doing, and as long as you understand how to combine technical analysis and fundamental analysis together. I mean, that's a game changer. But here, what we're doing is we're combining those together, and we're implementing that into the automated AI trading tool. Any magic? I don't know, maybe. But I don't believe magic. I believe profits and consistency. I love you all, guys. Join me on my Telegram. I love you all. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next time. Bye-bye.